This is my 2001 Mercedes SLK R170. Mechanically sound, cruised through an MOT a couple of months ago. One problem it does have though is that it tramlines. And it tramlines, it wanders left, wanders right, depending on the camber of the road, or grooves or ruts that are in the road. So when I'm going in a straight line, the wheels will pick up the camber of the road, and if I let go now, you'll see the car will pull markedly to the left. I'll go straight line again. So if I go in a straight line, let go, it will pull markedly to the left. And if I pick up a groove in the centre of the road, the car will pull to the right, although there's no groove here to show that, but it will do that. So it can wander off to the right. It is doing that now. Slightly right, and it goes left again. So it goes right, goes left, depending on the camber, the ruts and the grooves in the road. Now we can see that these are 18-inch wheels. Somebody has replaced the original factory wheels, for 18-inch AMG wheels. Also, we have a hard sidewall to the wheel. Now, they're not in particularly good condition, these wheels either. But this hard sidewall and the size of these wheels mean that it does actually tend to wander left and right. Okay, so what we're going to do is try and change that. Now, I have had the tracking checked, I've had all the associated mechanics checked. It all looks fine, so it's down to the wheels really. So what I've done is I've sourced a very nice set of 16-inch factory wheels. These are the ones that would have come with the car when it first came out of the factory. These are staggered 16s, so if you have a look at the wheels, you'll see that the rears are wider than the fronts, which is also what came out of the factory. So what we're going to do is swap these over and then see what the handling difference is. So I'm fully expecting to revert to a decent handling once I've replaced these 18 inches with 16 inches. Okay, so that's the new wheels fitted. In my opinion, look a lot better to the back of the factory. They also perform a lot better, so I've lost that distinctive pull to the left, so the handling is much better on originals.